Have you ever felt trapped inside your own mind? Like, no matter how hard you try, those negative thoughts keep whispering, "You're not enough." But what if I told you, the enemy isn't the world, it's the voice inside your head? And today, we end that war. Part 1. Understanding the enemy. Negative thoughts are not reality. They're echoes from your fears. They feed on your weakness, your doubts, and your failures. But here's the truth most people never realize. Your mind doesn't control you. You control your mind. Every time you say, "I can't," your brain listens. Every time you say, "I will," it listens too. So ask yourself, what are you teaching your mind every day? You can't stop negative thoughts from appearing, but you can decide not to believe them. When that voice says, "You'll fail," reply, "Watch me." When it says, "You're not strong enough," say, "Then I'll become stronger." Your thoughts are guests in your head. You choose who stays. Silence the ones that bring you down. Feed only the ones that push you forward. Ever then you face your thoughts instead of running from them, you grow. Every time you rise when your mind says give up, you become unstoppable. Defeating negativity isn't about avoiding darkness. It's about walking through it and realizing it can't hurt you anymore. That's how you win the war inside. Remember, your mind is your battlefield. Conquer it, and the world can't break you. This is Veylornox. If this message hit your soul, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More power, more mindset, more darkness. Until next time, stay unshakable.